on the boards again. Came right out in front, but it's deflected away and hooked up on the wing, and away goes Satan with Brown. Satan in over the line. Here's Satan backhand. On! Urban knocked it away. Here's another whack-hand. Backhand scores! Doug Gilmour! And a goal to his 3 assists, and Buffalo is up 5-1.
Well, it all began with a 2-on-1 break and ends up with Doug Gilmour cruising around behind the Carolina net, picking up a loose puck on the opposite side and calmly backhanding it into the open net, his 25th of the year. And the Sabres have scored 5 tonight. And this line has been on fire. Satan working in the 2-on-1 break. Could not beat Urbe, but he got the puck back. Gilmour picked it up and went across in front of the net. And Gilmour says thank you and fires it by the goaltender. Buffalo 5, Carolina 1 with 8:29 remaining.
That signals the exit for many of the faithful here in the Entertainment and Sports Arena in Raleigh, North Carolina.